Do you expect the tariffs that we've seen so far to seriously damage the global economy? Do you see a recession coming up?
We certainly don't see a recession. I think if you look at what's happened so far, there's no doubt about it that we've had some slowing of GDP globally in the US and China and in other places as a result of these trade tariffs. But, you know, if we get to the point now where we sort of stop in terms of the escalation and this is the environment we feel comfortable we're going to stay in for several months, maybe even hopefully some years, then I think that provides a little more clarity and enables companies to take decisions around investment. But in terms of the recession, still looks highly unlikely in the US. The US consumer remains actually pretty robust in terms of wage growth. The unemployment rate obviously is extremely low. So all of that provides, you know, a pretty solid base for the US economy to operate on. That doesn't mean that, you know, investment and trade aren't going to weigh on growth, and our own forecast for growth next year are somewhere around 1.75%. So it's a slowdown from above 2% this year, but that's still not a recession. And as a result, I think, you know, the Fed is going to carry on with some bias towards easing. Another rate cut next week, it seems highly likely. But beyond that, you know, we'll go back to being data dependent and seeing how much not just the US economy slows, but the rest of the world slows as well.